We want to go now to News 8's Brittany Flowers, who is live in Grand Rapids for us. And Brittany, what are you seeing where you are?
Hey, Michelle. Yeah, we're standing over the I-196 corridor right now, still seeing some cars moving through, but of course, probably not nearly as close to as many as you would see typically. We were out in Hudsonville earlier and driving from Hudsonville to Grand Rapids earlier this evening. I can certainly say that the closer you get to the lakeshore, the worse it gets. Noticed visibility improved just a bit as I got closer to Grand Rapids, but of course still not good at all. I spoke to some shoppers who were out in Hudsonville earlier who braved those crazy conditions to get to the store, including one shopper who's stuck in Michigan.
I live in Montana and I can't get back.
Meredith Veltkamp is no stranger to the winter, but she was not expecting the impacts this storm would bring.
I came home for my grandfather's funeral because I'm from Michigan, and I live in Montana and I can't get back. I have a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old, and my husband is back in Montana.
She spent 4.5 hours on the phone this morning trying to find a new flight. No luck.
I was supposed to leave today, and the soonest they can get me out is Monday at best.
Thankfully, she has family in town who were willing to brave the elements to make Christmas special for the kids.
We had to get Christmas gifts for her daughters because they might not make it back for Christmas.
So we just decided to get last minute, so they've got something under the tree, so Santa brought them something this year.
Glenda Crail didn't have far to drive.
We only had to come about a mile, so we're like, we can do this, and the crowds are really low today, so that was great.
Awesome. As for the roads,
terrible, absolutely horrible, but we just took it nice and slow with our flashers on, and we're good to go.
She and her daughters trying their best to make the most out of their cousin's situation.
We got Starbucks, so that just made everything better. We got PJs for the kids, Christmas PJs, and then LaCroix, so we're all set.
Now, most of the people I spoke with earlier lived within a couple of miles of the store, so they didn't have far to drive. In my drive-in from Hudsonville to Grand Rapids, notice obviously major precedents on those main freeways and roadways, but still not great driving conditions at all. So if you do have to head out, it should be for emergencies only. We'll send it back to you, Michelle.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, Brittany, thank you for that.